all this real estate I'm buying. Why would I rent what I can buy and I can really say it's mine? Cause I'm no longer in the streets, don't mean I'm no longer go eat. I got clients buying property, 200 a key. Man, I'm really getting this money, dog, without a degree. Bro, don't never let nobody tell you what you can't be. They say, rain, don't go away. The richest folks I know invest in real estate. Rain, don't go away. That's the quickest way to get out the rat race. Yeah. Man, I don't even supposed to be in the studio, dog. I'm done with this shit, dog. But the little homie PGF Doobie, that nigga hit me up and said, Bird, pull up. And I said, I'm on my way. Yeah. Rain, don't go away. This the type of weather make $1 million play. Rain, don't go away. A lot of niggas left, but this goat here to stay. Rain, don't go away. This the type of weather make $1 million play. Rain, don't go away.
A lot of niggas left, mean beats here to stay. All day, every day, I'm really through the fucking flap. Never, ever, when you